In this video, we'll be installing a set of our Supreme 2-inch rear lift shackles for the 2004 and newer Colorado and Canyon trucks. Start by lifting the rear of the truck off the ground. If you're working with floor jacks, make sure to secure the truck on jack stands from the frame, not the axle. The rear axle needs to be at full droop with about 2 to 3 inches between the tires and the ground. Remove the rear wheels from the truck. Now, support the rear axle. In our shop, we're using spin jacks, but if you're on the ground at home, a hydraulic jack will do just fine. Remove the lower shock mounting hardware from both sides of the truck, saving it for reinstallation later on. Starting on one side of the truck, remove the upper shackle mounting bolt. Work the upper shackle legs away from the frame bushing. A small pry bar can help with this if it's snug. Remove the lower shackle mounting bolt. Then remove the OE shackle. On the new lift shackles, the side with the longer legs goes up towards the frame. Install a washer on the included new shackle bolt, pass it through the shackle and frame bushing, capping it off with another washer and an included nylock nut. Don't tighten it just yet. Now align the leaf spring bushing with the lower end of the shackle to install another new shackle bolt with washer. If you have a hard time aligning the holes, you can adjust the floor jack supporting the axle until everything lines up. If everything's close but still snug, a rubber mallet or a dead blow hammer can lend some help. Cap this off with another washer and nylock nut as well. Now you can secure the shackle hardware. These get fastened to 118 pound-feet of torque. Repeat the same shackle installation process on the other side of the truck. Adjust the jack stand supporting the axle to align the lower shock eyelets and reinstall the shocks using the original hardware. These bolts get torqued to 85 pound-feet of torque. When both sides are done, lower the jack supporting the axle, reinstall the wheels onto the truck, and lower the vehicle to the ground. Time to enjoy your new lift.